So, welcome back. And this is the first video of, well, I don't know how many, where we are exploring the possibilities and the methods of how to convert a podcast of almost 350 episodes into a very smart AI chatbot. And I have 1 year to do it. Now, there are a number of things that I need to do and I need to get right. And this is sort of the short list, and all of these tasks are of course very large, and some of them might take months to complete. But the first one is of course to get the right software, to find the right tools that I can use. I have no or very outdated coding experience, so I really need to have good tools that I can use to do this. I then need to create some sort of database, some sort of table structure where I can store a bunch of data connected to all my podcast episodes. So I'm thinking 1 row per episode and a bunch of columns with data in them that I can use as a table of contents and a reference sheet to find information and to link to information. And then to add metadata. Because that metadata, for instance, who is the guest in the episode, who are the speakers, what are the tags, a short summary of the content, things like that, the name of the episode, the link to the actual audio file, all of that needs to be entered into this table. Then I need a way to transcribe the episodes, to convert the spoken words into text. And preferably text that's rich in metadata as well from the outset. So for instance, I need a way to identify who is speaking in the episode, or at least to differentiate between speaker 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then I can manually maybe add the names to those persons. Once I have that, I have, I think, enough to train to fine-tune maybe a large language model. For instance, ChatGPT or some other service where I can put the transcriptions of all my 350 episodes on top of that model that probably already knows how to read and understand what it's reading, and thereby making it an expert on specifically my content. Once that's done, and I have no idea how to do that yet, but that's sort of later in the year. Once that's done, all I need to do is creating a chat interface. And that chat interface, I'm doing a calculation here that within 6 months from now, and this is December 2023, within 6 months, we will have software, if not already, that I don't know about. We will have software to help me do this. I don't want to code a single line of code to do this. And that's the main challenge. So the first thing I need to do is to look into what type of tools do I need to start working on this problem. And that will be the content of the next video. So if you want to join me in this journey to learn how to create a podcast or to make a podcast turn into a smart AI chatbot, click subscribe and join me on this journey. Bye for now.